this is the area of, I'm going to let you say it then.
Well, I think it's Triana.
I'm sure we're really doing that wrong.
Probably.
It's a neighbourhood that we're staying in, and it's like a little bit of its own little town, isn't it?
It's really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got a nice atmosphere, everyone going about their business. It's lovely. We'll show you more. Just across a scenic pedestrian-friendly bridge from downtown Seville, Triana is a perfect area to stay, with all the shops and street life you could wish for, but quiet at night when you need to rest.
The Santa Ana Church is the most famous in the district. According to legend, babies christened here will be blessed with a good voice for flamenco.
Famous for raising bullfighters and flamenco dancers, the area is also well known for its beautiful tiles and pottery.
With craft and jewellery stalls nearby, it's pretty under the Triana Bridge by the river.
The Mercado de Triana is a daily fresh market that's well worth a visit for its fresh and varied selection of fruit, vegetables, meat, herbs and fish.
The Seville Tower is an office skyscraper that was completed in 2015. Thank you. Nervous?
A little bit. It's very glidey though, it sort of locks you in, you don't know where you're going.
It does. It's just the abrupt stop at the end. We're assuming it stops.
Hopefully. 34, 35. How many stories is it?
Planta 27.
It's not the Tower of Terror, is it?
Yeah.
So this is it, I'm guessing?
Oh, yeah.
Get out.
Zoom.
The tower is 180 metres tall and has 40 floors, offering amazing panoramic views over Seville. Come all the way up this tower. What is it?
It's the Tour Sevilla, I believe.
Yeah, Toro, which I think is tower.
I think so.
Yeah, Tower of Seville, and it's a really modern landmark. It hasn't been around that long. I think it was done about 2006, and finished 2015, something like that. It's loved and hated, I believe, is the vibe I'm getting.
Yes, that's what I got as well. Yeah, but I mean, there's 360-degree angles, around the whole of Seville. So
and it's a really big city. I've decided I'm not walking. I'm going to take the bus, I think.
I think we found that out yesterday, didn't we?
So how much was it to get up?
It was €8 each. So
it's quite a bit pricey.
It is quite a lot, really.
It's an enclosed lift on the way up if you're worried about windows. You're oblivious to what's happening to you until you get up.
And apparently you're only a child up to the age of 11 as well, which I thought was a bit harsh.
It is a bit mean.
Yeah.
But it's lovely, I'd recommend it. Really good. It's air conditioned and has lovely seating areas to relax and enjoy the views. Join us on a beautiful adventure around Seville. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. In this brand new series, we're exploring this exquisite winter sun destination with vlogs featuring the Plaza de España, Triana District including the Seville Tower, the real Alcazar palaces and gardens, the giant mushroom of the Metropole Parasol, Dan climbs the Torre de Oro, exploring Cadiz and much more.